I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise here to talk to you today about an aromatherapy sinus recipe. Aromatherapy is one of the best ways to deal with sinus issues, and specifically inhaling essential oils or those of fresh or dried herbs. It's very simple whether you're dealing with blocked nasal passages or an infection. Aromatherapy is your best bet. When dealing with blocked nasal passages, eucalyptus oil is a great choice. It is a natural decongestant and an expectorant. Thyme is antibacterial, and most people have this in their pantry, so it's easily accessible. And that is as simple as boiling some water and adding a bunch of either fresh or dried thyme and inhaling it. If you use a towel over your head, over the steaming water, that will help control the steam and get more of it up into the nasal passages. I'm Desiree, and this is Aromatherapy Sinus Recipe.